Me. My inventory is so stacked. Me. Like look at all my stuff, it's so beautiful, smiling face.
Scammer. Hey, wanna offer for my glitter dumpling? It's very rare, you won't find it anywhere else. Scammer. Unluckily for her, there's nothing inside of the box. And worst if all it's fake. Scammer. Look at the fakeness. Scammer. Anyway, wanna trade?
Me. Okay, I guess. Me. I'll add my squishy
Scammer.
unicorn.
Add.
Me. Okay, I'll add my bear, just please don't decline.
Scammer. Add again.
Me. Okay. This better not be a scam, but I'll add my Nido.
Scammer. Yes. Thank you for your dumbness, lol.
Me. OMG, it's fake. I should have known, and now my stuff is gone forever.
Scammer. Haha, finders keepers. Scammer. Now I am rich. I still have one more fake dumpling to scam. Scammer. Now I have a Nido, so I can scam this too. Scammer. Loser.
Me. Ah, I hate scammers, all I have now is these weird things.